Below you'll find cases, earbuds, device tracker and other iPhone accessories that maximize your iPhone. Trust us, you'll wonder how you went without these devices before. With AirTags, the days of losing your keys or wallet are essentially over. For a forgetful person, this is music to your ears. AirTags are compatible with iPhones or iPads iOS 14.5 or later. These tiny trackers use Bluetooth from nearby iPhone devices to ping your lost keys, wallet, or purse, whatever your tracker is attached to, and provide you directions when you're within 30 feet of your lost item. The tracking is reliable and the tracker itself is so small and non-intrusive, you can drop it in a bag and forget about it. Hopefully, you don't forget your bag, but hey, that's why you bought the tracker, to quickly and reliably charge your iPhone. The MagSafe charger is the way to go. It snaps onto the back of your phone and even charges through some cases. We'll get to MagSafe cases later. When paired with a 20W power adapter, more on that later as well, you will get the fastest charging available for your iPhone. And you don't have to own a new iPhone 12 to take advantage. MagSafe works with iPhone 8 and later. There are few things that suck worse than dropping your phone. With the Metasino pop socket, you can maintain a better grip on your phone as well as have a little pop-out stand available when you want to set your phone down and watch something. It easily attaches to your phone, but it does require a MagSafe charger to use. With 8 available colors, you can find the one that matches your personal style. These smooth and soft cases are comfortable to hold and come in a wide variety of colors. The feel is soft yet grippy, while the inside is lined with microfiber for extra phone protection. The best part is you don't have to remove your case to wirelessly charge it with a MagSafe charger, it will charge right through the case. One of the weirder moves Apple has made was to not include a charging block with iPhone 12 purchases. At least it gives you the opportunity to upgrade the charging blocks you have laying around your house with an Apple 20W USB-C power adapter. This adapter maximizes the charging strength of your MagSafe charger for the fastest charging speeds available to iPhone users. iPhones aren't the only Apple devices that are capable of wireless charging. For Apple Power users, a Duo charger is the way to go. You'll be able to charge your iPhone and Apple Watch or iPhone and AirPods simultaneously with one device instead of having cables running all over your desk or nightstand. If you have multiple Apple devices with wireless charging, the Duo charger is a no-brainer. Looking to declutter your life? Now you can have everything in one place, your phone, money and identification, without the bulk of your wallet thanks to the leather wallet with MagSafe. No longer do you have to sit on your bulky wallet, which does horrible things to your lower back and posture. Plus, it adds an element of sophistication and style to your phone case. If you want unrivaled sound quality to go with your iPhone, Apple AirPods Max are the way to go. The audio is pristine and the headphones are so comfortable you won't mind wearing them all day, whether for work or just personal enjoyment. Features such as top-of-the-line noise cancelling as well as 3D spatial audio further separate these as one of the best accessories for iPhone users far and wide. Apple going strictly wireless has come with its set of frustrations. One of them being when you get on an airplane and the in-flight entertainment doesn't have Bluetooth connectivity. That's where the AirFly Pro comes in. You can use this to connect your Bluetooth iPhone accessories like AirPods Pro or your AirPods Max to the AirFly Pro and connect it with the in-flight entertainment through the 3.5mm port. It's a minor price tag to pay for a world of convenience.